It makes the car really complete, and we have seen a lot of cars. It's a massive upgrade, and I think if you have seen it on the video, you are gonna like it. Hello everyone and welcome to our Ucar YouTube channel, and today we are going to take you with us because we are going to change the steering wheel of our Porsche 991 Carrera S, and the steering wheel is a 991.1 steering wheel and we're going to change to a 99.2 steering wheel. So we are going to bring a visit to Porsche Centrum Gelderland and we are going to take you with us, and yeah, I'm really curious about the steering wheel because I think it is a massive upgrade, so I would say let's go. We are on our way to Porsche Gelderland and we made a quick stop to make some beauty shots, and we are on our way to Porsche Gelderland because we are going to change the steering wheel of the car. It is now a 991.1 steering wheel and we're going to change to a 991.2 steering wheel. Yeah, that's correct. And yeah, we already fit it with another color because the interior is a complete espresso color, so we fit it in a black color, the steering wheel, and it fits really good. And we have to wait, I think, 10 or 12 weeks, so today is the day we're gonna change the steering wheel. And in my opinion, it's a really special Carrera S because there are some upgrades we have done on the car and some special options on the car you didn't find on another Carrera S. Like the ceramic brakes at first, that is a really nice option for this car, and also the espresso roof top, like the same color like the interior, and also in the back you can find the black tailpipes we have painted, so it makes the car really complete. And it's a really lovely car, but also if you put it in a sport mode or something, it's a really extreme car, and that's something nice you want to have, I think, on a convertible. For now I would say let's go to Porsche Gelderland and have a look if the steering wheel fits well. we are here now at Porsche Gelderland and they are changing the steering wheel, and we had just some time to do a quick round at the Classic Center and also at the modern cars, and we have seen a lot of cars. We have seen a lot of Speedsters at the Classic Center, from really old to the newest Speedster. We have seen inside the new GT3 RS in combination with a Turbo GT in the same color. We have seen the Porsche 911 Dakar, we have seen the Sport Classic, we have seen the Carrera GT, the 918 Spider. We have seen a lot of cars, and in the meantime they are changing the steering wheel, so we are going back at the shop and have a look at the steering wheel if they are done, and then we have a drive back to the office. And yeah, I hope we can enjoy the steering wheel really well, because we have seen it already and it's a massive upgrade, and I think if you have seen it on the video you are gonna like it. So I will say let's have a quick look and let's go back to the headquarters. So we are on our way back home, and I'm really enjoying the steering wheel because the looks of the steering wheel are really great. It matches really good with the interior, and it looks super fresh and also really calm because there are no buttons on it, and we have chosen for it. It has a really nice look, and because of there are no buttons on the steering wheel, so I can't control the radio over here. So because of that, they put another switch in the steering column that I can control the menu in the front. And yeah, what should I say? What I already thought, it was it is a massive upgrade because it really looks nice. It is in the same espresso color as the interior, and yeah, it works quite good. So I really enjoyed it, and it takes a little bit longer than we thought, but that's no problem because it works. And we really enjoyed the visit of Porsche Gelderland. We really had seen some nice cars, and you have seen that already. And yeah, I would say let's go home and bring this day to an end. Last but not least, we have to fill up the car and bring it back to the collection. And I would say it was a long day, but it was really worth it. And what I already said, I really enjoyed the new steering wheel. It's quite impressive. It looks good, it looks fresh. So we are going to enjoy it for the last part of the trip. So I would say see you next week, same time, same day. And don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Instagram. And see you later.